Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Clara Z and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So today I'm really happy to reveal to you some items I picked up from the Chanel 19A Métier d'Arts collection, which is part of the Egypt collection. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I want to show to you a couple of costume jewelry items that I picked up for this collection, which came in this box. So I'm just going to quickly unbox that, and you'll see that it is a Chanel brooch. So we'll just wait for that to focus. I apologize that it's taking a bit of a time. So this is the Chanel CC small logo brooch in the form of a brooch. And you'll see that it has yellow resin. I believe this is yellow resin, and there's just crystals surrounding that. And if you flip it over, the pin is going this way, and hence you can pin it to a sweater or a jacket, or you could even put a chain along here and maybe wear it as a necklace. I haven't tried that, but it is possible. Or you could put a chain through it and wear it as an kind of like an ornament for your bags or any other items. So this is the first item that I picked up, and the reason why I picked this up is because I felt it was a little different from my regular CC brooches. I don't wear a lot of brooches, but I do like the shape of this being in the form of a cross. So yeah, so this is the first item I picked up for the Métier d'Arts 19A collection. I'm gonna move on to the second item that I picked up, and the second item also came in this box, and you may have guessed it is a parrot earrings. So I'm going to unbox this now. It comes with a little brochure. And here we have, let me just straighten this, sorry about that. The earrings from the Métier d'Arts 19A collection. They are long dangly earrings. You could see that there is a lion here, and I'm not sure what this symbol is. It looks, it's in the shape of a cone. But one thing I really like about these earrings is that you can see they are dangly, and there's a lot of movement because it's separated by different circles there in the middle. So yeah, this will give you an idea of what they do look like. And because I have really long hair, frequently a lot of the earrings that I wear get lost in my hair. I'm wearing a pair of studs today, which I love, and they're very convenient, but sometimes I do like to mix it up and wear it with like a pretty pair of dangly earrings. So that was the second item that I picked up in the Métier d'Arts collection, and the final item that I picked up was a small SLG. I didn't decide to keep the box, but here is the pouch, and here we go. It is the Deauville O case from the 19A Métier d'Arts collection. It is in a blue denim fabric with gold lettering, and you can see there is some gold glitter scattered throughout the bag, which is really pretty. So this is the front. This is the back, again with that blue denim with the gold glitters, and this is the zipper. It comes with a leather zipper tag. Some of the leather ones come with a CC at the end of the zipper here, but for this one it's just a regular zipper. And if I open that up, this one should be made in Italy. And it is a fabric lining on the interior. It is a blue kind of a fabric lining. It's just one big pouch, as you can see here, and this does have the authenticity card, and this is from the 28 collection. So yeah, generally I use this sometimes as a small wallet. I will put cash and coins and cards and receipts in here. I find that this is very useful for smaller handbags, and sometimes I do carry quite a few cards and cash, and so it's kind of like my kind of keep bulk type of wallet. So yeah, so just to give you an idea of the fabric and the make of this O pouch, it's not that thin. I wish I could let you feel this, but it does feel a bit squishy. So it's not actually a very thin fabric. It's almost as if there was a layer in between. I feel that it is squishy in this area. So it's a bit thicker than some regular type of fabric kind of pouches. It feels very soft and squishy in this areas. I don't really know how to explain it. It's almost as if it was like a jacket with a layer of cotton inside or something. However, it feels squishy and it kind of rebounds a bit. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, I do have this also in the lambskin, the black lambskin Camilla, and I really enjoyed using this, but I wanted to try something in fabric, so I thought I would try this. And I also really love the colorway of this in a blue, beautiful blue denim with the gold glitters. So I'm looking forward to use this new SLG piece. Yeah, so anyways, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And if you haven't already, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I do regular videos on luxury items and fashion. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will join me again next time when I do shoot my next video. And if you have any questions or comments, again, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you and have a fantastic day. Bye now!